Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marine with Artistic Pours and More, and what we're doing today is I made these really pretty coasters with balloon smash, and I just cleaned them all off with 91% alcohol and a paper towel, and I'm just going to put the resin on there. I'm using K resin. Ooh, it's starting to get warm already, so I need to get it on there. And how I do it is I just put it on just like this. And the reason why I've got this paper towel under there is because it's a little lopsided. So I wanted it even. And then I just rub it on just like this. Put a little bit more on there. And there. Rub it on. Here too, nice shiny coat. It's gonna be so pretty. And this is how I resin my coasters. I just rub it on there after I've cleaned them with alcohol and let them dry. It's that simple. So what you do, it just depends on your brand that you're using. I'm using the K resin right now, or KS resin. So we will see. I really like that resin. After I get it on here, I will torch it real quick just so that I make sure I have all the bubbles out. Want to rub it around all the sides. Here too, make sure it's on the whole thing. It is a self-leveling, so it shouldn't be a problem. Now I'm going to put some over here and here. This, go. Rub this in nicely. It's already starting to get a little hard because I used it for something else a minute ago. So I think what I'll do is just hold it up, get it on there, and torch it so I can get it loosened up a little bit. It is definitely getting hard. So let me get it all on there. Nice coat on the whole thing like this. And this. Alright, get off of there. And let me torch. Oops, right on the edge, please. Uh-oh. There we go. It loosened up right there. Like that. Get the bubbles out. Alright, so I am going to plop a little bit more on there. And this one. Before it's all dry, nice and thick. There we go. And I got a double glove here, so there we go. And let's make sure we got this going. When you heat it up, it loosens it up a little so you can work with it again. You just can't wait too long to do that, like I did. Alright, so if there's any spots that need to be redone, it'll show up. It'll actually separate. If I didn't get all the silicone off, it will separate away from it. And I'll go back over it one more coat anyway. That was pretty easy. Thank you for joining me, everyone. God bless, be safe, and be happy, and stay tuned for the next video.